Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch fonts and set up commonly used fonts in EasyEDA Pro. First, let's open a PCB file. Then select any text object. On the right side, in the font panel, you will see the font that's currently being used. There is a drop-down list here, and at the top you'll find your commonly used fonts. You can switch to any font you like directly from this list. So, how do we add a new font to the common font section? The process is quite simple. In the font manager, click Add and type in the font name you want to add. Find the corresponding font and click Confirm. The font name here can be modified by double-clicking, so you can adjust it for needed. Once everything looks good, click Apply and then Confirm again. That's it. The new font is now added. Next time, when you switch fonts, you can quickly find it in your commonly used font list and apply it to your PCB design with just one click.